Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Today we will do topic prime factorization. So what is prime factorization? The process of expressing a number as a product of its factors is known as factorization. A factorization of a number in which a number is expressed as a product of prime factors is called the prime factorization of the number. There are two methods of prime factorization. First is division method and the second is factor tree method. First is prime factorization by division method. What are the rules? Observe the following steps. First we divide the number by the smallest prime number which divides the number exactly. Second, we divide the quotient again by the smallest or the next smallest prime number if it is not exactly divisible by the smallest prime number. We repeat the process again and again till the quotient becomes 1. Remember, we use only prime numbers to divide. Third is, we multiply all the prime factors. Remember, the product is the number itself. Here are some examples of division method. Example number 1 is find the prime factors of 48 by division method. Here is the solution. So first of all, we have drawn the table like this and we have written 48 here. So the smallest prime number is 2. So we will divide 48 by 2. Here what will the quotient? 24. Yes. 24 again it is dividing by 2. So we will divide 24 by 2, then the quotient is 12. Again divide 12 with 2, the quotient is 6. Again divide 6 with 2, the quotient is 3. Now 3 does not come in table of 2, so we will take next prime number, that is 3. So when we will divide 3 by 3, then the quotient is 1. Hence prime factors of 48 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Let's take another example. Find the prime factors of 90 by division method. Here 90 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. So what is the quotient? 45. 45 does not come in table of 2, so we will take 3 prime number. So the quotient is 15. When we will divide 15 with 3, the quotient is 5. And 5 we will divide with 5, the quotient is 1. Hence the factors of 90 is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. The next method is prime factorization by factor tree method. In this method, we first write the given number as a product of two numbers. Next, we further factorize the composite numbers, if any, till all the factors obtained are prime numbers. The product of all the prime factors gives the prime factorization of the number. Here, the example of factor tree method. Example is find the prime factorization of 18 using factor tree method. So, solution is here. So, here 18, because we have to find the prime factorization of 18, so we will write 18 here. Then if we will check, then 18 is the product of 2 and 9, so we are writing 2 and 9 here in this way. If you will see, 2 is a prime number, so we will not make further factors of 2. But 9 is a composite number, so we will again factorize it and will come up with prime numbers. So factors of 9 are 3 and 3. Here we are restate the prime factors. So here 2 is prime factor, 3 is prime factor and 3 is prime factor. If you will multiply these 3, then the answer is the same number. It means we have done the question in a right way. Here the factors are different. So here 18, we have written 18 is equal to 3 multiply 6. Here 3 is a prime number, so we will not touch it. 6 is a composite number, so again factorize it. and the factors are 2 and 3. Hence, the factors of 18 are 3 multiply 2 multiply 3. If you will see, in both the cases, the prime factors are same. Again, the example is find the prime factorization of 48 using factor tree method. Here 48 we will write, then 48 we can write is the product of 8 and 6. But 8 and 6 both are composite numbers, so we will further factorize it. Here we can write 8 is equal to 4 multiply 2, and we can write 6 2 multiply 3. Here if you will see, 2 and 3 both are prime numbers, so this is done here. And the next, here 4 is composite number but 2 is prime number, so we will not move it further. 4 we can factorize it further like 2 multiply 2. Hence prime factors of 48 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Now we are again telling the prime factorization using both methods. Here we have to find the factors of 36. So we can write 36 is the product of 2 and 18. 2 is prime number, so this close here. 18 is composite number, so we can write is the 2 multiply 9. And again 9 we can write 3 multiply 3. Hence factors of 36 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. With the division method, 36 we will write here. 36 is the dividend and it can be divided by 2. So 2 we will write here. Then quotient will come 18. Again divide 18 with 2. The quotient is 9. Again divide 9 with 3. Then the quotient is 3. Hence the factors of 36 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. If you will see, in both the cases factors of the same number are same. I hope everyone understood the concept. Thank you for watching.